Okay, number 7. A blender uses 1,300 joules of energy. That's the total energy input. 500 joules is sound energy. How much energy was used for the mechanical task of blending? And then number 8, how efficient is the blender? Let's do 7 first. And for 7, we need to remember that I've got something helpful down here. Okay. So let me bring that up here. We know that total energy in this purple box over here, total energy equals the useful energy plus the wasted energy. And that comes from the law of conservation of energy. So our total energy, or the energy input, was 1,300 joules right there. So 1,300 equals useful energy. That's what I'm trying to find. How much energy was used for the mechanical task of blending? This is what a blender is for blending. So that's going to be an unknown. We'll just call it X for now. So that amount plus the wasted energy, which was 500 joules in this case because the sound energy is not needed for blending. So that's wasted energy, 500 joules. So now I just have an addition subtraction problem. So the way I solve that is I subtract 500 from both sides, minus 500 here. Those two cancel out. That leaves me with just X on this side. But what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I'm going to subtract 500 from this. And that's going to leave me with 800 joules. And that's J for joules. That's J. So 800 is the answer to number 7. The energy for the mechanical task of blending was 800 joules. I can check my work because I know that my useful amount, which was 800, plus my waste energy, which was 500, must equal the total input. And when I do that, I end up with 1,300 joules, which was the number I started with. All right, that's number 7. Number 8 is in a different video.